Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Lunar Classic. New week is opened up. It's Monday, and Bitcoin and all the altcoins, every coin out there is pretty boring. I'm bored. I'm pretty sure you're bored as well. There's nothing happening in the market. There's nothing significant going on in the market, and it's just a sideways dilemma. It's just a sideways drama right now. And of course, bullish divergence keeps on growing. That's the best thing we have right now. So very soon enough, I'm pretty sure we're going to start to see a movement. So there is a squeeze that is going to happen. Number one, probably on the RSI. So on the RSI, we have this little bit of move support coming up, and we also have the upper little bit of resistance coming on as well. So we might actually expect another 10 days of maybe boredom, which we're going to see a squeeze happening and a pop happening very, very soon. And of course, my take is that we start to push higher from here, right, with the RSI. Another thing is that we also have a time that is so close on the 4-hour time frame that we might not need to wait for 10 days. We actually might expect something like this as well, just a little bit of thing that I'm trying to observe with Lunar Classic, and that is this support and resistance. So you have one touch, move up, one touch, move up, one touch, move to the upside, and then you have this resistance coming up from there. So we are extending time until 15th of May on the charts and time until 22 of May on the RSI. So it seems like it's safe to say that this month alone we may have some movement. But hey, I want to tell you something. Back when it was a festival, Eid, Eid, the Muslim festival and all, when we were celebrating Eid, I was actually saying that my birthday's coming is in June and this and that. The thing is that there's something I mentioned in that video, and that is the market may not do too much in May, but it may start to slowly go back and recover in June. And then by summer, July, August, September, whatever, we start to see slowly but surely Bitcoin trying to get back to 100K. So whatever is happening right now is still kind of in the books. It's actually in the plan, in my opinion. And I'm not surprised with anything that is going on whatsoever in the market. This is totally expected, to be honest with you, at least from my side. I don't know what you think that the market, oh no. Yes, on the 4-hour time frame, there's this too much boredom. But when I look at the higher, bigger picture, I know that this is still a part of the game, because if the bull run is going to be extended until 2025, then we have plenty of time, okay? We have plenty of time. Some people are saying bull run is going to end until September next year, maybe August next year, because bull run ends 1.5 years after halving. Halving just happened last month. So you have 1.5 years of a bull run. So if you start to get bull run today or the next months, what are we going to do next year in September then? Okay, so if that makes any sense. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.